Hello everyone. This is a follow-up video for Bitget Copy trading, and we are going to talk about the problems. What's the big problem in the Bitget copy trading? So what happens is when you normally open up a trade in your normal basic settings, what happens is it's going to open a trade based on your leverage, okay, not based on your copy trader's leverage. For example, if I have opened a trade at, for example, there's a copy trade going on. Let's close that one. Anyhow, there's another issue, I don't know why. Yeah, it's clear. Okay, so what happens is if we open up a copy trade, we start following someone, what happens is it will follow my own leverage, not what have been set by my trader. Even though I have set in advanced setting, like okay, it's a user leverage based on my trader, but what happens is it will going to use that leverage, but with the additional margin. So for example, if I have my trader has opened a trade based on like 20x leverage, but in my futures account my leverage is set to, for example, 10x, okay, so what it's going to do is it is going to take the additional margin. For example, if I have set the margin as 10 USDT, it is going to use 20 USDT to compensate for my additional leverage set by my trader, which I don't want because it can increase my risk for the liquidation. So what's the counter for that? So we're going to show you how it's done. Let's go to my trader, wherever you follow. So you have to go to advanced settings from here, and by default it's going to look like something like this, and you can have to go through all of them one by one, but for just the sake of this video, and you can do that as well to save some time, you can unselect most of your tokens to save some time. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set my margin based on my own settings. Never use follow trader because it can have like multiple thousands of dollars, or maybe even millions of dollars, and he can use a lot of amount. So what you're going to do is you're going to set your own margin here. It can be something like $50 or $20, and then you have to only use the specified leverage option here. So in this case you should know how your trader open up position, like for a particular coin. Let's say if you're using BTC or Ethereum, what is his usual leverage? So you can check his history, like okay, he uses like 50x leverage, so you can go with like 25x or maybe 50x leverage depending on your risk. Okay, so if your trader is using 50x leverage for Bitcoin, maybe for scalping purposes, so you can set your leverage based on that. Okay, so I will set my amount, maybe $10, $15, whatever you like, and then hit confirm. Okay, so it will save my this leverage. Same for that, same for my Matic. I have set 10x just for this example purposes. Here I will show you how it works. I have set 15x and 10x leverage with the 10 USDT. So what I have opened a trade recently just to show you guys how it works. So in my trader section, if I go to history, it will show me like what I have opened. Okay, so I had previously I did not set anything, so it took whatever my settings, future setting was, and opened a position based on that. Okay, so it has used, I had set, sorry, I cannot show you that. Okay, so on this side it shows that it does not use more than my set amount. But if you go to your future setting and check your history here, trade details, but here what happens is you used more of your amount here. If I could show you guys somewhere here, like the amount it has used, the margin is not being displayed here. If I could, yeah, the margin is not being showed, but you guys just have to believe my word here. So what happens is they are going to use what the position I have, what the leverage I have set. So if you go with the basic settings and my trader opens a position for, like, let's say 20x leverage, and my future position leverage is set at 10x, it is going to use double the amount of margin to compensate for my leverage. Okay, so now I have set 10x leverage in my copy trading section as well. So if my trader opens a position at a, let's say 20x leverage, it is still going to use the same amount I have set in my advanced settings in copy trading. Okay, so same goes for this and that. So this is an example and setting video to help you guys understand how to set up your copy tradings, and to help you understand this is the right way. I hope this helps. Thank you.